Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, February 14, 2025. My name is Joseph. I'm with Smart Money Traders here. This is the name of the YouTube channel where we look at the market together. Today, we're looking at ES primarily and also NQ. We're going to be trading some other instruments too based on how the market is doing. Lately, we've been looking at gold and live cattle based on how ES is doing. So if ES is not tradable, we'll definitely look at other instruments. So on the 30-minute, we're going to be looking at that. But before I do so, let's get into the disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. This is not for recommendation to buy or sell any futures contract or currency contracts. So just know trading is risky, and training and capitalization to trade properly here. And with that, there's no guarantee you're going to make any money. With that out of the way, let's look at ES. ES looks like last night we'd have a double top here. Basically, what we did here, they took some people along at 2:30 a.m. around before the London market opened at 3 a.m. here in the East Coast, and they brought it down. Now they're bringing it all the way back up. So, and also we had some news this morning, retail sale. There was some news. How that came out, probably positive. Let's see. Let's refresh this. Yeah, actually, retail sales was negative. Okay, retail sales was negative, and we also have President Trump to speak. We don't have a time yet, but it definitely looks like that's gonna happen today. It's just tentative, so we're looking probably at. I would probably say maybe before the market closes at 4, we should probably hear from him. Now, again, every time that he speaks, the market's definitely been moving. So definitely be careful and stay. See, this is what I'm hearing. So definitely would like to stay aware of the time that he's speaking and see how the market reacting. Now, the market looks to me very exhausted up here. So a short here may not be the worst thing. But at the same time, retail still being the way it is, and we kind of 37, So let's see how it goes here. This market definitely finding some resistance right here at 40. So see here, could be a quick scalp, but we'll wait and see. It's 9:48. Besides President Trump speaking, there's no other news really we need to be aware of. Kind of pretty expensive side here in this market. So we had a fair value gap here. So if we come out of this about 39, we might attempt a short, which at the moment would be kind of counter trend, but we know we scalpers, we're not really had to look at the trend too much. Let's look at this here. Looking at I need to hide this. Hide this mainly, but just for real estate purposes. Here we don't for screen real estate. We don't have much. To me, yeah, we can hear the sellers coming in here. 38.25. At this point, we're gonna wait and see what happens. See, this is what happens when you wait here. The market's gonna show its hand. We're tempted to short here, but it looks like they want to push it higher now. Just wait and see how it goes, especially on a Friday. Exercise some cautions here, to see how this market is here on the other screen. Could this have been that push higher to get some people along here and move it lower? We can see the reaction on NQ. There was no follow through here, so 39.25. 31.25 could be place to go. Let's look at LE here. LE is definitely showing some kind of short here. Look at this, which is live cattle. Definitely pushing higher now. But again, for me to go along, this would be kind of chasing it right now. So I'm more open to set up here. Definitely ES, the trend is up. So that's why I'm hesitating short here. But LE looks like it may give us some kind of short setup here, 57.50. See if we can go short here. If we go higher, obviously we'll cancel those orders. This market looks like he wants to go lower. Give it time that he needs. So right now we We're trading the OG market, live cattle. Live cattle comes back down here and give us an entry. We'll take that. Definitely looking 25 was definitely a possible entry, but really, when I look at this market here, long might be the way to go. But it would have to come back down to, if it comes back to that area here, we might be looking to go along here at 35, which is right on the VWAP. So this was resistance right here, so they may become support here. Let's see if live cattle will give us an entry here. Oh, yeah, we got an entry on live cattle. We're seeing, I think, 11 ticks cattle. Let's see, and we can go for live cattle. I think we're going. So I would start really small here. Just this one, if it's a loss, it'd be only 11 ticks. This one that here, looking for 20. So it doesn't look too good here. Yes, if we got a positive bar here. If we cannot make a new high, yes, looks like he wants to go higher. 42, the stop limit right here. We'll do a limit at 39 and a quarter here. 39 and a quarter. Let's see if we can go short here. Above the high, the 35 is the place that. Again, we're taking this short based on the fact that it's expensive, exhausted, and we may see a pullback here to the VWAP. But if we get taken out here, obviously we'll take a breather. We'll stop taking positions. Right now we're pushing higher, so which is not what we want to see. But the market is doing at the moment, so we're not getting the pullback. Again, we're trying to trade the pullback. It's a counter trend setup. Possibilities were here. See if we can come back down here. Yeah, we got some selling coming in at 6 ticks. We will move to break even. And this is not, we get the selling that we're looking for here. The market does sell off here for a little bit. And we can see NQ in the bottom middle here is showing some, wants to go lower a little bit here. Break even. If it does go back up here and tag us out, that's fine. That's part of trading. You're not going to get everything that you wanted. Here, if we can come back down here and get us to, I think it's looking like a target may get hit here. 36.5. There you go. I think we're about to hit it. There you go. Let me just move this down to some profit, maybe, just to cover the commissions. Yeah, unfortunately here, this is a battle. Came down to 35.5. Yeah, this is not good. But I'm not gonna care about the commissions. I'm just gonna keep it the same place that I had it, 39. And a quarter here. That's unfortunate if we get taken out here at break even because we had it. That's unfortunate. We're not to the best start right now. We jump on live cattle a little too early, which I thought was gonna turn around, but we got on there too early. Alright, so here we got, as you can see, we got taken out here. Live cattle went to this resistance area at 196, which is the round number. But live cattle right now is going lower. Again, we're just trying to play this pullback. We knew this market was to go higher. And we got to 39, 35.5. We didn't get the feel here, but like right now, this market's wanting to go higher. Yeah, it's okay. The market we're looking at was gold. Again, this was a counter trend trade. We know what we're doing. So right now we're flying higher. We're testing those highs. Let's see what will happen here at those highs. If we're gonna break past them, or if we're gonna just the market we had our eyes on was crude oil, and crude oil right now is kind of going down. Live cattle looks like he wants to go higher today. So far it's been going higher, and this was the retracement. Here would be a 10 tick. At least I'm in that last trade. Well, also got to recognize, hey, we move a stop to break even, which is all you can do here in this situation. So cattle might be going lower here. Let's see, 60. We're going to sell cattle at 60. Up will be up here. We'll definitely give it a little more room this time. Yes, market's going higher. What's happening here? Thought we had the next risk here at cattle. Then the next was the support level was 42.5 or 194.42. See if we can make a low in cattle. That's 782. So we're at 87. This is where we should be at. It's going higher here. Gonna definitely trade this slower market here and see how it goes. I think after this trade here, today will be a short stream. If this trade doesn't work out here, we're up 6 ticks. But if this trade doesn't work out here, we'll consider stopping here. Should really stop trading cattle here if we get taken out here. Obviously, we're not seeing it, right? Chicken will be out. And some strategies in the background. Try to get gut feel. See how. Gonna leave cattle alone. We got short here. Then take up target and then get hit. Now we're looking for longs on EL. I'm sorry, on ES. I said EL. Okay, we're seeing some selling here on ES. I'm gonna be on last year we took 1 trade on cattle. That was a loser. Trade 1 trade on ES. That was a break even. Now we may try an ES trade. So technically we got 2 more trades here that we can take. Because the max trade per session is 5. Got 2 losers and a break even. Here, it looks like ES wants to sell off here again. I believe this sell off. Clearly, this market wants to go higher. I'd like to wait for a pullback and then turn around. Then we can try to engage long. So it's a good amount of selling happening at the moment. Let's see if we can bat 43.5. 42 and a quarter, sorry. 2 and a quarter might be okay. Below here. I think we can get to 50 if there's a number that they may target to the upside here. 2 ticks here, maybe 39 and 3/4. Once again, if we get taken out here, I think we might call it a day. Let's see, we're not seeing this too. Okay, I think that was a quick stream, the quickest probably I've had. About not seeing this market the right way at the moment. You're not seeing the market the right way, or the timing is very off right now. Timing is very off. Yeah, see, basically a direction looks like it could have been right. It just got tagged out by a couple ticks. With that said, we're gonna end the stream early here, and hopefully you guys doing better than I'm doing that right now. As far as results, I mean, we definitely stick to our guns here. We may see if we see a pullback that doesn't go higher than this, we may, it may go lower, but at the moment, so we're gonna just gonna call it the morning here. Keep trading to see if it's right or not, because this is not how it works. All right, you guys have a good one. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.